Good morning. Cheers. Good morning, guys. So it is Saturday. So it's December 7th, and today we're going to the hotel. So guys, this trip has been we were supposed to go on this trip from summer. Yeah, I packed my bag and everything. Yeah, and then last week they had scheduled it for last week, and then they put it off, and then we're supposed to be going today. So means in the last week, I'm waiting last minute to pack my bag and still put off. And then this time I literally waited. So it's last time I literally packed my bag and pack over my bag. So my sister is also going. It's my school, but they have space, so my sister is going with me. So it's just one night. It's not a long trip, just one night. So I'll be back home tomorrow. But yeah, ready. We're in the white version of what I wore yesterday. Hey, we are ready. Me did tell him to me in a white version for me did in a yesterday. Hi. Anyway, so we're leaving out. Guess what, people? Me here at 10, so we're supposed to leave 10. Apparently it's supposed to be 9, so we're late.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
We are now at Ocean Coral Spring. Yes, guys, I get to come here. I'm excited.
So we are currently at Ocean Coral Springs and we are about to be outside.
Yes, outside.
So just expect a lot of mumbling because I'll be drunk. I don't know about her. She had one.
This is so pretty.
Just when I call one time, I'm going to send a picture.
Shan. this is vlogging. Oh my gosh. Anyways.
Big square jumping. No, but we just have to say, me get this strike and me never that vlog. A minute me put on the vlog, a minute me get here. Anyways, well, pack.
Or maybe they don't people like to do.
I just treat.
No, so it's an elephant I can't scale wood.
Well, but this is our room, I think. I thought, I'm not even know if I thought 14 for sure.
Guys, I'm so happy. I like this.
Well, pull up an ice block and lend an ear.
Hey guys, we are ready. We're going to dinner right now.
Sushi. I want to try rice and it look like cucumber and I don't know what else. Me want to try. Me want to try.
Everybody free to try that.
Not bad. Can't eat. Come on, Mr. Rodney. Cheating. What do you want? Let me.
Oh, you get one. Oh. Alright, new game. New game against Tony and Kay. Don't make sure when you she go there. Cause she come like come beat up Tony. Oh my god, switch.
Okay, fine. Almost had it. Woo!
I just took my first bath per se. Yeah. So this bath, you know, like when I fill up a bath and you go in there and try relax and some. That's the first time I've ever tried doing something like that. So yeah, the bath is here and I decided I wanted to try it, so I did. So yeah, I did that. I did a lot of firsts. Honestly, I'm proud of myself. I tried sushi for the first time today. Can you imagine? Yeah, as I said, it wasn't bad, but and that's something me take me but like. I already not really like rice per se. Take out my look at something. I don't really like rice, and I don't think I'm gonna. I don't know. Eating cold rice just not it for me. People after 12, I want to be up tomorrow to so that we can enjoy the property and something before the time for we leave. Good morning guys. It is about 6:30 about that time right now. I'm not sure. When the last time I checked it was 6:20 so, but it was quite a few minutes ago. So yeah, good morning. How are y'all doing? I am up from outside. I was doing my devotion, so I just, you know, I love my private student at my devotion, so came outside, did my devotion, and now I can talk to you guys, so I can say hey. So last night was the thing is about hotel, everything normally lock off at a certain time. So most of the places lock like 11. Yeah, most of the places. So last night we went to a show. Went to the show time, as I showed you guys. They had something about love show. You will see it on the thingy. And then we tried to go to other places. We went to the family lounge. I was playing some video games with the asphalt, and then we tried to go to other places. Well, you know, we wanted to go to the virtual reality, but little did we know it is something you have to pay for. So that one is something we have to pay for. And when we stepped in at this place the second time, we realized they signed it today for the payments. We never see it before. So we just left that one because we ain't paying no money. No. So we won't take the free things here. Alright, so that was to pay for. So we just left the one day. And then we started to walk around. We ended up walking like on the poolside. I'll have to show you guys today because it was dark, so I couldn't show you guys anything yesterday. It was dark, so we walked down to the poolside and we found like some chess place, like the big chess them with them hours of hotel. Yeah, we found that, and two of my co-workers were actually playing it, so we just sat and waited for them to finish the game. And all of that. We didn't get far. We still haven't seen the beach yet. I still haven't seen the beach as yet. So we're gonna go and see if we can find like the beach and all of that today, because we have to take in everything before 11 o'clock for the most part, especially like the beach part, because we can enjoy the rest of it up to like 3 o'clock or so. We have to check out at I think 11 or 12, I'm not sure. So you know you're not going in a wet clothes at that time. After that time you can have your nice skin still going. So yes, so we're going to, I think we're going to get ready for breakfast first, and then we're going to head to the pools after, pool and beach after. And I don't know guys, I hope you not hear me because the breeze be breezing. I don't know if there's a shop out or some, but it's so extra breezy for money, for last night actually. So enjoy the day with me guys. I hope you guys are doing well. Stay blessed, stay loving, stay positive. I'm trying to stay positive, so I have to encourage you guys to stay positive as well. So yes, let's enjoy today. We are up and ready. I'm in my swimsuit already. She ain't enough yet, but me and mine already. So we're heading to breakfast because we're hungry and we have medication sick, so we kind of need to go now. Hey, I'm Sassy Shannon, this is Shake, and I'm taking over her channel. So we're here at, what name again? Ocean Coral, and we're having fun, and we're going to the lazy river. Yes, she not vlogging the place properly, people, so I have to help her out. Finally, we are going to the pool. It is like after 10, I think. So we're going to finally go to the pool.
Cool. All right, thank you.
We're checking out, people. We are checking out. We have checked out and we are going to have some food now. Last meal of the day, people. So I'm having fries. I have pizza.
Yeah, babe?
No, I mean, hotel. Come on.
Here's a piece.
Fresh. It's time for us to go.
Going home right now. First time in Jamaica.
First time in Jamaica? Yes.
And I said, it was she just catch me off guard. I'm sorry.
Guys, so I wanted to come on and in this vlog, it was really a great experience going to this hotel. I've always wanted to go there, but you know, never got the chance. So I got the chance. I'm going with my workplace and telling you, it was top tier. I've never been to a hotel where have like bowling and all of the things that I've experienced there. So especially the bowling, like the bowling, I love to bowl even though we can't bowl. Yeah, and I've never experienced something like that, so that was a great experience. I honestly want to go back. I'm gonna have to save and go back because I realized we got the hotel on a deal, because when she went back to like show us the price and so on for one night, she realized that it actually went up. I tell you now, that was like a blessing, like literally a blessing, because we don't think the price if I go drop back down there. So I think it was 20 something a night, I'm not sure. So yeah, anyways, so thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye.